Good morning students, welcome in early morning session. We are going to discuss 10th student computer science, Punjab School Education Board. This video based upon new syllabus, session 2021-22, chapter 1st, under the heading of Office Tools. As usual, we are going to discuss our first option, MCQ, multiple choice question. So let's start. First, which tool is used to maintain record of budget, financial statement and sale? Our options are A. Multimedia, B. Spreadsheet, C. Presentation and D. Database. So our correct answer is B. Spreadsheet. Second, MS Word automatically enters page break when we reach at the dash of the page. Option A, starting, option B, end, option C, mid of the page, and option D, none of these. So our right answer is B. Our choice B is right, end. Third question, when we type in our document, dash wavy line appears under the spell mistake word. Our options A, blue, B, white, C, red, and D, black. Or we know a red wavy line appears. So our right answer is C, red. Fourth one, enters plus exit and exit are the most common effects of dash. Option A, animation, B, sound effect, C, design and D, transition. So our right answer is option A, animation. Fifth, dash is blank space at the corner of the page. A, graphics, B, design, C, margin and D, none of these. So our right C, margin. Next, we are going to discuss fill in the blanks. First, computer system is divided into two categories, dash and dash. So all of we know there are two types of softwares, application software and system software. So we have to put in blanks in first, system software, and in second, application software. Second, database is a collection of related data. Objective of this tool is to dash and dash data. So we fill here organize and manage. In first, we will put organize and in second, manage. Third, we can choose dash or dash orientation for the whole or some part of document. We will fill portrait and landscape. In fourth, extension of image files are sport by PowerPoint are .tiff or .bmp and dash. Another are .jpg or .glf. Fifth, multimedia software is a tool which permits user to make dash and dash with the help of multimedia player under real play. So we fill with audio and video. Now we are going to discuss true false. Main purpose of spreadsheet tool is to prepare document. This is false. Why we use spreadsheet? For calculations or mathematical calculations or mathematical sheets. Second, application software is software which performs special tasks for user. Yes, this is true. Application softwares are ready to use. Third one, we can drag the current tab at the different place to the left to right along with the ruler. So this is also true. Last one, when we click on print tab, print preview is displayed automatically. Yes, true. Print preview shows automatically. Next question, very small answer type question. 1 or 2 word answer. First, write extension of Word document in MS Office 2010. All of we know every file followed a extension name after dot. So write extension of Word document in MS Office 2010. What is the extension name? .docx. docx. Second, write extension of spreadsheet in MS Office 2010. .xlsx. .xlsx. Third, write extension of PowerPoint in MS Office 2010. Answer is .pptx. .pptx. Next, write full form of BMP, image file. Answer is bitmap picture. Full form of BMP is bitmap picture. Write the full form of PDF. Full form of PDF is portable document format. So there are so many abbreviations are used in computer. In next video we will discuss abbreviations of word using in computer in next video. Okay, let's start next question. Short answer type questions. First question, write the definition of system software. In another words we can say, what is system software? So answer is the software which is used to control the overall functionality of a computer system is called system software. Application software cannot work without system software. System software are of many types. For example, operating system, language translator, utility program, etc. Second question, explain database software. You know database software? Database software is an office productivity tool. It is a collection of related data. Purpose of this tool is to organize and manage data. Organization and companies use this software to store their data. MS Office, Oracle, etc. are the example of database software. There are a number of database software in market. Mainly we use MS Access, Oracle, like these softwares. Third question, explain multimedia software. Multimedia software, or what is multimedia software? Multimedia is a combination of more than one media. There are 5 mainly components of multimedia: text, picture, audio, video, and animation. Multimedia software helps user to make or play multimedia files with the help of these components. Media file and real play are the examples of multimedia tools. Question, what is page break? How a page break can be inserted? What is page break? Page break is a break between 2 pages. Page break is an important command of MS Word. It is used to insert a new page in a Word document. Following are the steps insert a page break in a Word document. Which step we need? First, click at the location where we want to insert a new page. Second, click on the insert tab. And third, click on the page break operation in the page group. We can also insert a new page with the help of shortcut key. Which key? Control plus enter. With the help of control plus enter, we can insert a new page. Long answer type question. As we know, the answer of these questions we have in 10 or 15 lines or in 2 paragraphs. You can also write these in points also. So let's explain first. What are the office tools? Explain any 5 types of office tools. Office tools is a category of these application programs which helps to user to prepare document, database, graphics, worksheet, presentation in their office. Some of common office tools are explained below. Which are common? Word processor tool. These tools are used to prepare document or letter. MS Word, WordPad are the example of commonly used word processor tool. Second one, spreadsheet tool. These tools are used to perform different types of calculations. Excel and Lotus are the very best examples of such type of softwares. Third is presentation tools. These tools are used to prepare presentations. PowerPoint is one of most commonly used tool for this purpose. Next, database tool. These tools are used by organizations to store and manage their data. MS Access, Oracle are the most commonly used database tools. Next and last, multimedia tool. These tools are used to prepare and play audio video files. Media players are real player are the example of multimedia tools. Second question. Write the step to prepare annual report of a student using the mail merge. You know mail merge? What is mail merge? Let's see. Mail merge is a very important feature of MS Word. We can easily prepare annual report of a student by using their result data stored in Excel sheets with the mail merge. Steps are given below. First of all, prepare student's result data in the Excel sheet and then save it. Next, now prepare the format of student's annual report in the MS Word. Then click to start mail merge, later in the merging tab. For your help, here is a screenshot. See this carefully. Now click on the select reception. Use exiting list option. Next, it will open select tab dialog box. Select the Excel sheet having student's result data. Now move to the cursor to the location in the report where you want to insert data. 7 point. Next step. Now click on the insert merge filed option. A drop down list will appear which displays all the fields of result sheet. 8th step. Now from the drop down menu, click on the required field which we want to insert at the concerned location. In the similar way, insert the other required fields at appears location at the manual report format. 9th. Now click on the merge and finish option. Edit individual documents. It will open merge to new document dialog box. Click on all options of this dialog box and then click on OK button. Again, see this slide. Here is OK button. 10th. A new Word document file will open which shows the annual report card of a student. I hope you understand. Merging is merge data from Excel file to Word. Next, third question is, what are tab stops? Explain the step to set the manual tab stop. Why we use tab button? While typing you use tab or not? Okay, let's discuss. Tab stop is an important feature of MS Word. Using this option, we can represent the information in a proper or systematical way. This option helps us to set the cursor position after pressing the tab key from the keyboard. Setting such cursor position as per our requirement is known as setting a manual tab stop. Step to set the manual tab step are given below. First step. Click rapidly on the tab set button which is present at the left side of the rule bar until we don't find the required tab step, left tab, center tab, right tab, decimal tab or bar tab stop. see this image. Second step, now click on the location at the ruler bar where we want to set the tab position. This is the process. Fourth question, explain print preview and print commands. So let's start answer. Print preview and print are the important commands that use in the Office tools. These commands can be explained as below. Print preview. This command is used to preview the document on the monitor screen before printing it. It means before printing the file, we can preview it in such a form that we get after printing it. When we click on the print command in the file menu, then Word or Excel will automatically show the print preview of our file. Next, print. This command is used to when we want to get a hard copy of our file. It means we can get our file printed on the paper using this command. To print our file, we have to click on the print command in the file menu. To print the file, we can also use a shortcut key Ctrl+P. In this ground sheet, you can see the print command. This is the end of our chapter. Thank you very much.